the alphabet. Then two Ashɨ ŋwà'lɛ Gà'á Kɛjòm. A, B, V, J, D, D, E, F, G, L, E, I, J, K, L, M, N, N, O, T, S, Sh, T, T, U, U, V, W, Y, Z, J. Then I would like us to group the alphabet into 3 different parts. The familiar section, which are letters similar to those in English. We have 20 of them. The new letters, which are slightly not familiar, and the combined letters, which we use 2 letters to make up one sound. Now, under the familiar letters, I will not be talking on that because they are the same alphabet as you will see in English. We have A, B, D, E, F, G, I, J, K, L, M, N. Then we have the strange letters. Under that, you will see letters that are unfamiliar to you, which are N, U, and the glottal stop, which is represented by an apostrophe. Then now, under the combined letters, we have V, J, D, L, N, T, Sh, T, J.